Hello friends, this is Amy. Thank you for stopping in. Let's get crafting. This is a tray that I found at Goodwill. It was $1.75, and when I saw it, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. I took it home and I sanded it because I wanted to get some of there was like a little varnish on there, you can kind of see. And so I spent a little time sanding and cleaning it up. And I applied 2 coats of the Waverly white chalk paint to this, and I also painted the entire back of it. And it applied very well and it covered very well. I am taking a design I found on Etsy and I'm cutting it out with my Cricut, and I will list this design in my description box so you can find it on your own. I just want to take a moment to mention this is an open invite trash to treasure tray challenge. What a mouthful. Please check out the host is Leah at Junkernecker, and please check out her channel. I will list the playlist for the challenge and a link to her channel in my description box. Leah has great ideas. Please stop in and check it out. You can see that she has got some fun things going on. Her co-host is Melissa at Melissa Makes It DIY. I will also list her link in my description box to find her channel. She's got a lot of fun ideas, and please check out these very talented ladies. Okay, I have weeded the design that I found on Etsy, and now I am just going to put some white and black buffalo check. It's just the 12 by 12 scrapbook paper, and I found that at at Hobby Lobby, and you can get it there for 25 cents. Most times they carry it for that. It says 69 cents, but they are usually a quarter. And so I applied the Mod Podge to the tray and then the back side of the scrapbook paper. And sometimes I'm reloading because it seems like it's drying a little faster, and so in between I just keep things mostly wet and apply pressure so it stays down. And I looked at the edges and to make sure everything had some Mod Podge onto it. And just carry on and do the entire tray. And with that pattern, I had to do my best on matching, and so it took a little bit of time. And now I'm just putting, once it was dry, I put the Mod Podge over the entire the paper part, and I did not do the inside yet. The next step is I took my transfer paper with the design on it, and it'll show I am trying to line this up, so I'm getting the line. I chose a design with these lines because I wanted this, I don't know, I wanted the lines in there to kind of give it a focal point. And so I'm just making sure everything is lining up, and I'm just kind of eyeballing. There are grids on that paper, and I do try and use those as well. And my hair is getting in the way of the camera, so I apologize for that. And so once I got it where I wanted it, I took my little tool and I just apply pressure, and then you start peeling it up from the corner, and if things aren't quite staying down, you just go back and put more pressure on it, and it came off really nice. And this was easy to weed as well. Okay, and then lastly, once I had touched up everything and made sure everything was down on the tray, I did put another layer of the Mod Podge and just make sure that gets on everywhere, and then that way things won't peel up later where you have something fall off. I do want to thank you for stopping in. I am having a lot of fun making this tray, and I hope it inspires you to make one too. Okay, while that was drying, I took some of my jute string and I put some hot glue on the end, and I wrapped jute string around both handles, and you just wrap it around. I didn't even need to put any more glue in there. I just did the ends, so when you start and when you stop. And that really just added a nice touch to this project. I was really pleased with how it turned out. And then those little dots that you can put on your kitchen cupboard so they don't bang, I had some of those in the drawer, so I put one on each corner so it would sit nice on a tabletop, and there it is finished, and I just love how it turned out. I'm glad I added the buffalo check edging to that, and I'm very happy that I found that tray. I just felt like, wow, this is meant to be, because I was looking for something to do for my Trash to Treasure challenge. Thank you so much for stopping in. I truly appreciate it. I hope if you like this kind of crafting that you will like my channel, and just give it a little like and consider subscribing. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, and bye-bye.